If your Firefox browser is starting to feel a little cluttered, or you just want to clear out your browsing traces and store data for privacy or troubleshooting, this video is going to show you exactly how to do it the quick and easy way. In just a few steps, you can clear browsing history, cookies, cache, and other stored data on Mozilla Firefox without getting lost in menus. This is especially useful if a website is acting strange, pages are loading incorrectly, or you simply want to clean up your browser and start fresh. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tips just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, you can bring up the Clear History option instantly using a keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This will open the Clear Recent History window, which is where Firefox lets you remove different types of stored browsing data. Now look for the time range to clear drop-down menu. By default, Firefox might only be set to clear the last hour or the last few hours, but if you want to remove everything, click that menu and select everything. This is the important step if you want to fully wipe all stored browsing data instead of just a small recent portion. After that, you'll see a list of data types you can remove. Make sure to check the boxes for cookies, cache, and browsing and download history. Cookies are what websites use to remember you. Cache stores temporary files to help pages load faster, and browsing history keeps track of the sites you've visited and downloaded files. If your goal is a full cleanup, these are the key boxes you want selected. Depending on your version of Firefox, you may see other options as well, but for this tutorial, those are the main ones you need. Once everything is selected correctly, go ahead and click Clear. Firefox will then erase the chosen data from your browser. It may take a moment, especially if you've been browsing for a long time or have a lot of saved files stored locally. After it finishes, your browsing history, cookies, and cached data will be removed, helping free up space and refresh your browser session. Just keep in mind that clearing cookies may sign you out of websites, and clearing history will remove your recent site records, so you may need to log back into some accounts afterward. But for privacy, troubleshooting, or simply giving your browser a fresh start, this is one of the best things you can do. So again, the process is simple. Open Firefox, use the keyboard shortcut to open Clear Recent History, set the time range to everything, check cookies, cache, and browsing and download history, and then click Clear. And that's how you clear browsing history, cookies, and stored data on Mozilla Firefox. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial.